I already decided, bitch, that I don't need no sidekick. Pull up profile lit, pull up pro style, bitch. Every time I see her, she look like she ain't gon' never forget. Pull up with a torch lit, these rappers can't afford shit. Boy, pull off, you rented it, we laugh until we finish, bitch. Hoes getting hip to it, they noticing your flaws and shit. Pull up to my crib, whole pad fully furnished, bitch. And I got some extra shit. R.I.P.
I back again. Well, today we're gonna be checking out that small VVTi filter screen on my TC. Hopefully I can get to it and get it done. Probably won't take me that long, hopefully, but as you all who work on cars know, sometimes that can go up to an hour or longer. But let's see. So from what I'm thinking, the screen is back behind, it's on the back of the block. So I'm gonna have to take this valve cover off to get down to it. So I don't know how well you guys can see that, but the bolt that's right there in the middle, I'm thinking that's where that filter is hiding. So I'm about to take that loose and go from there. But as you can see, it's in a really tight space, just like the VVTi solenoid was. And like I said, I did change the PCV valve, which is right here. And this is the hose that I was talking about that's leaking. And don't worry about this little jacked up way I got it right now. Like I said, I got a new hose coming in, so I'm just waiting on that. But yeah, it's way down in there. Let's hope that's it. Look what just came in the mail today. Got my new PCV valve hose, clamp, and this bad boy is the VVTi camshaft, which I'm hoping I won't have to mess with. Cause like I said, I'm gonna change out that filter first. So I wanted to get this just in case. So if that filter is what fixes my problem, then this bad boy getting sent back so I can get my money back. And you'll feel me. Alright guys, so I lied about that. That filter bolt being right there. The filter is actually up under on the bottom of the engine, which I'll show you guys later on. I'm not gonna get to it today. But let's get this old jank hose out. So yeah guys, like I said, this one was leaking. You can see that bad boy cracked in 2 spots. So out with the old and crusty. Let's get this new one in. Bam! And just like that, we got the new one in. I love when the install is simple. So yeah, that's what it should look like. Alright, next up, we'll be getting to this filter. Like I said, it's gonna be a couple days. Alright guys, so this is the oil pan off of my TC. As you can see, there's a bunch of metal shavings in there, and the oil is pretty bad. So Come on, focus. There it goes. So therefore, I'm pretty sure I spun the bearing. I just did an oil change on the Jeep, and I used the Mobile One full synthetic in both cars. And as you can see, this is the oil change, the old oil in the Jeep. Still pretty clean compared to what was in the TC. So I've already got it somewhat apart. I've been working on it behind the scenes. So the engine's gonna have to come out. So yeah, I'm gonna be pulling this engine out here soon. I'm gonna have to order get me a new one. So I've already started. I've got the headers offsetting. I took the valve cover loose just to look at up top. Got a couple of hoses loose. All my coil packs out. So yeah, it's gonna be quite a big project, which means more content for the channel. But it sucks. I really wish I still had my car on the road, but it'll be back up and running soon. But as you can see, as far as the up front, none of the valves are bent or anything. Yeah, so like I said, I will be doing the engine swap on the TC, unfortunately. It ain't gonna be nothing crazy because your boy is broke. I got bills to pay, so I'll be swapping in the same engine of the 2A ZFE back in here. It's gonna be easier anyway. So yeah, and let me give you, I guess, a little backstory of what happened. So the car went down on me. It's been about a week now, but it was on the Saturday. The car was doing fine all day up until about 4 o'clock when I was getting off of work. Pulling out to the parking lot and jumped into traffic and hit it. And of course, the oil light just popped on and it started rattling like crazy, and it had lost some power and I guess oil pressure. So I pulled it to the nearest parking lot to check it out, and I thought I was low on oil, so I got a quart of oil and poured it in it and checked the dipstick, and the dipstick was still pretty good. Like I said, it happened like that before. Normally the oil light would pop on saying that you low on oil, so I'll put oil in it and it'll be good for the rest of the day, enough to get me home to where I can, pour the legit amount it needs. But this last time was just it. Like I said, as soon as I hit it, got up above maybe 5,000 RPMs just to get up going into traffic, then all of a sudden that was it. It just lost the pressure, lost the power, and loud clacking noise. So I knew something was broke. And as you've seen from the oil pan, it's tons of metal shavings and super black oil. So I'm gonna be doing some research, seeing the best engine I can find, trying to get something, low miles under 100,000, which I've seen a couple. So I'm gonna get that ordered and get me an engine hoist, and we're gonna get this bad boy out and get her back on the road. We got a show coming in April, at the end of April, so I really need to get this done ASAP. So stay tuned. Be easy.
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room. I guess it's okay for now. Put my pride to the side, don't wanna let you down. Take my heart and crush it, leave it splattered on the ground. Your love is like a bomb from a